Hey guys, well this is Dani
I'm Fazira.
and together we are Small City Island. Alright, today we are actually here in Citrus Hotel,
Citrus Hotel
JB. Alright, so we are going to share with you about Citrus Hotel JB. So let's do a hotel tour.
Yep.
And as well as the room that we are staying in.
Yes.
So let's go!
Citrus JB is just 5 minutes walk from CIQ, 2 minutes walk from City Square, 4 minutes walk to Komtar,
Yes.
8 minutes walk to the Kotaraya, and 10 minutes walk to JB Bazaar.
Yeah, or fondly known as Bazaar.
Yeah. We are in room 10, 11. It's
Yes.
on the highest floor for the room, and
Correct.
our room is a club room.
Yes.
Yes.
So Fazira, what's the advantage of staying in the club room?
The advantage is that we can access to their club lounge, and then the room have a bay window,
Yeah,
a big bay window.
correct. This is where we are standing to make this
Yes.
video because the amount of sunlight that comes through,
natural light.
I tell you, is magical.
Yeah, and the room is also spacious.
Yep, correct. Four of
Yes.
us, you know, the whole family, we are actually inside the club room.
Yep.
So this is actually really very spacious. You can see where the wall is at the back. Can you see how far away that is? Alright, so it is actually very spacious, and then you've got this bay window in front of you. You've got a sitting area here as well, and what happened is you've got a view in front of you. Alright, so I think for the room size, I think this is very good. This is very good.
Yes, the bathroom are very clean.
Yes. Alright.
Since I'm a clean freak.
This is OCD about cleanliness. The bathroom is really clean.
Yes, clean.
Alright, you've got the hair dryer in there. This is for club room. You've got hair dryer in there. And then the water pressure from the shower is also fantastic.
Yeah, there's water
Alright.
heater as well.
Yes, and then the other facilities inside the room.
Fridge, mini bar.
Yes.
Mini fridge.
The mini bar is not filled up, it's empty.
Yes.
Which for us, we like it a lot because we've got kids.
Yeah.
So they don't open up, and all of a sudden, when you check out, hey, you've
Something
got
missing.
charges for this, you've got charges for that. You do not know. So it's empty. Alright. There's a provision shop nearby. Fill it up with whatever you want. You see? So it's fantastic.
So
Alright.
there's a locker also.
Safe.
Yeah, safe.
Yeah, a safe box.
Safe
Alright.
box.
As well as
Water boiler.
boiler.
Coffee.
Yeah. So if you got kids,
Wardrobe.
to get hot water, it's easy for you.
Yes.
Alright, halfway through, see who decided to join us. Okay, Aish have decided to join us. Alright, okay, yes, the room also come with breakfast. Okay, so they have got a cafe there.
Located at level 2.
Right, and I mean, early morning, you wake up, straight away you can go down for breakfast, and I think it is really fantastic. Alright,
Do you like the room, Aish? Yes. Is it big? You get to run around with Adik? Yeah.
see, they love it. They just keep on running the whole length of the room,
They can't
up and down,
sit
up and down.
quietly, They
In
just
fact-
run.
In fact, sometimes we pity our neighbor downstairs, to the right, to the left. With these boys. Oh yeah, one more thing. In fact, this hotel, the staff, they are all
Friendly.
super friendly.
Yes.
Like for example, the reception, Miss Indah,
Yes.
and then the security.
Yes,
I think security, right? Abang Hassan. All right, they are always playing with the kids. And we always have chit chat. Even at the cafe.
Cafe
all right,
staff.
the cafe
All very
staff.
friendly.
Alright, they always make you feel so welcome, right? And one more thing, we caught up with the hotel manager,
Yes.
Mr. Jasvin Singh, correct? Very friendly chap. Okay, it is a very nice, experience to talk to him. Everything else, and then he actually, we wanted him to just say hi to you guys. So Fazira, what do we do when we want to do that? Roll.
Hi everyone, my name is Jaswin. I'm the hotel manager of Citrus Hotel Johor Bahru. Alright, so Citrus Hotel Johor Bahru located very strategically in Johor Bahru Town. So if you're looking into spending a fantastic weekend in Johor Bahru, please visit Citrus Hotel Johor Bahru. And we've got actually other hotels as well in Malaysia. We've got in Kuala Lumpur, we've got Langkawi, Thailand, and now in UK. Alright, don't forget to visit us www.citrushoteljohorbahru.com or Compass Hospitality. See you. Bye.
So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
The links are all in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. Click it. See you. Bye.